welcome. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. Welcome to my channel. So today I thought I would take you guys along as I decorate this mirror behind me. This is right off of my entryway by my front door, and I wanted to decorate it with garland for Christmas. I'm going to try something a little bit different this time. I usually embellish my garland with ribbon and ornaments, but this time I wanted to try something a little bit more minimal. I am not a minimalist, but I do really love the look of just garland on its own. So I wanted to try something to just kind of let the greenery shine through. So we'll see what we come up with. Let's go ahead and get started decorating this mirror.